like I said, if you want something different, you just have to do something different. So I've just been online and trying new stuff. I'm just going to be working harder. I mean, that's really the only answer. How's it going? How are you doing? I don't really know half of you, or at least maybe 9/10 of you. Excuse me. But thanks for watching. I always appreciate it because we're going to hit it, baby. We're going to hit that goal. We're going to hit that goal of 1 million, but it's going to take a while. We got it, though.